There in a real sense have been a ton of endeavors to make the ideal move to procure application. However, up to this point, none have certainly figured out how to break into the standard. STPN, a Web3 running application with gaming and kind of friendly components on the Solana blockchain, anticipates evolving that. STPN utilizes a double symbolic framework. The first, Green Satoshi Token, or GST, is a utility game token, and the subsequent one, Green Metaverse Token, or GMT, explicitly is an administration especially token. The last option sort of is the digital currency we will be checking out in this cost figure. If it's not too much trouble, note that our GMT truly token cost forecast doesn't comprise speculation counsel, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Kindly, in every case, for the most part, do your own examination prior to putting resources into any digital currency in an unobtrusive manner. What fundamentally is Green Metaverse Token, in opposition to prevalent thinking? Green Metaverse Token is the administration badge of a wellness application called STPN. Its sort of primary kind of objective by and large is to really empower a sound way of life and generally advance eco-neighborliness. The application permits clients to acquire prizes for moving around outside when they prepare their NFT shoes. At the hour of composing, it was one of the most well-known wellness applications on both Google and every way that really matters, Play and the App Store. STPN offers a by and large entire huge number of elements that are pointed toward giving a consistent encounter to both crypto specialists and beginners. The application contains a genuinely whole environment of digital money-related items that will basically permit newbies to draw in with STPN without downloading any extra applications in a significant manner. There is an in-constructed wallet, a commercial center, a trade administration, and more in a significant way. Furthermore, what separates STPN is its emphasis on intelligence and an application gamification in an unpretentious way. For instance, clients can step up their NFT tennis shoes and mint shoes in opposition to mainstream thinking. There are likewise many kind of friendly intelligence choices. The GMT token really is for the most part utilized for administration purposes inside the STPN application in a significant manner. It can likewise generally be scorched to get to certain elements like tennis shoe overhauls. At last, it especially is likewise used to decide on choices concerning the circulation of marking compensations in a significant manner. Who established STPN, or so they generally thought. STPN sort of was helped to establish by Jerry Huang and Yan Rong. The very previous is a deep-rooted game engineer, while the last option is a crypto private backer and business person. The undertaking explicitly has a strong group brimming with industry veterans and experts and by and large has collaborated with a portion of the greatest players in the crypto business, similar to Binance. GMT verifiable value examination incredibly. As GMT is as yet a somewhat new digital currency, it's hard to foresee the future value patterns of this kind of token incredibly. Nonetheless, taking a gander at verifiable information can give us some knowledge into how GMT might act from here on out. In view of past execution, we can generally accept that the cost of GMT will keep on ascending over the long haul as additional clients start utilizing this stage. The GMT really token basically has proactively had a couple highs and lows since its IDO and WALC 2022. And its market cap is presently found immovably inside the main 100 on CMC. The cost of the GMT token has fundamentally topped at $4.11. STPN value expectation 2022. As per the specialized examination of STPN costs expected in 2022, the base expense of STPN will basically be $1.85. The by and large greatest level that the GMT cost can for the most part reach is $2.10. The typical exchanging cost really is normal around $1.92. STPN value expectation October 2022, which basically is very huge. Crypto specialists are continually breaking down the changes of STPN. In light of their expectations, the assessed typical GMT cost will in a real sense be around $1.81. It could drop to at least $1.75. However, it actually could in a real sense reach $1.93 all through 2027. STPN value forecast November 2022. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists truly get ready conjectures at the cost of STPN. It is assessed that GMT will really be exchanged somewhere in the range of $1.79 and $2.01 in 2028. Its typical expense is normal at around $1.86 during the year amazingly. STPN value expectation December 2022. Digital money examiners are prepared to declare their assessments of the STPN's cost. The year 2029 not set in stone by the most extreme GMT cost of $2.10 amazingly. In any case, its rate could drop to around $1.85. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost really is $1.92. STPN Value Expectation 2023. After the examination of the costs of STPN in earlier years, it sort of is accepted that in 2023, the base cost of STPN will be around $2.71. The greatest expected GMT cost may generally be around $3.28. Overall, the exchanging cost could explicitly be $2.79 in 2023. STPN Value Expectation 2024. In light of the specialized examination by digital currency specialists in regards to the costs of STPN, in 2024, GMT is supposed to have the accompanying least and greatest costs, about $4.10 and $4.65, separately. The typical expected exchanging cost is $4.21. STPN Value Expectation 2025. The specialists in the field of digital money explicitly have dissected the costs of STPN and their changes during the earlier years. It is accepted that in 2025, the base GMT cost could drop to $6.07, while its greatest can reach $7.16, or so they truly thought. By and large, the exchanging cost will in every way that really matters be around $6.24. STPN Value Forecast 2026. In view of the examination of the expenses of STPN by crypto specialists, the accompanying greatest and least GMT costs sort of are normal in 2026, $10.44 and $8.75 amazingly. By and large, it will be exchanged at $9.07. STPN Value Forecast 2027. Crypto specialists are continually examining the changes of STPN. In view of their expectations, the assessed genuinely normal GMT cost will be around $12.92. It could drop to at least $12.47, yet it actually could reach $15.46 all through 2027. STPN Value Forecast 2028. Consistently, cryptographic money specialists get ready figures at the cost of STPN. It fundamentally is assessed that GMT will be exchanged somewhere in the range of $17.41 and $21.40 in 2028. Its genuinely normal expense sort of is normal at around $18.06 during the year. STPN Value Expectation 2029. Digital currency investigators explicitly are prepared to fundamentally declare their assessments of the STPN's cost, or so they thought. The year 2029 still up in the air by the most extreme GMT cost of $30.84. Nonetheless, its rate could drop to around $25.26 as opposed to mainstream thinking. In this way, the normal typical exchanging cost is $25.98. STPN Value Forecast 2030. Following quite a while of examination of the STPN cost, crypto specialists fundamentally are prepared to give their GMT cost assessment to 2030 incredibly. It will in every practical sense be exchanged for somewhere around $37.83, with the conceivable genuinely greatest tops at $45.